How to promote and sell NFT art on Twitter. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can promote and sell your NFT art using Twitter. So let's get started. When it comes to NFT art, an important thing is that when you launch your NFT collection, we have to promote it. And one of the platforms that is really famous when it comes to NFTs is Twitter. Every famous NFT collection has its own Twitter account that we can find on the profile. So that is why when we launch an NFT collection, we will have to create a Twitter account for our NFTs and then promote our NFTs on Twitter. So let me show you how we can do that, how we add Twitter to our NFT marketplace, and how we can use Twitter to promote our NFTs. Let's jump into the video. So first of all, I have OpenSea.io for you guys to show you that what the top NFT collections do and how they are actually promoting their NFTs using Twitter. If I open up one of the most famous collections out there, we have Bored Ape Yacht Club. And right here on OpenSea, we have their Twitter account. So I'm just going to open it up. Similarly, we have CryptoPunks. They have their Twitter account as well. I will open it up. Doodles. Doodles is another NFT collection, a very famous one. And they also have their Twitter right here. So I will open it up as well so that I can show you. Now, why these NFT collections, the famous ones, the top collections out there, they have their Twitter here and they are promoting their NFTs. How we can use Twitter to do so? So the first thing we use Twitter for is, of course, to launch our NFT collection. Before even it is launched, we can promote our NFT way before it's launched and we can actually create a Twitter account. That's what these NFT collections do. For example, this Twitter account for Bored Ape Yacht Club was created way before it was launched and every information was given on Twitter. So there are giveaways, there are new launch information, mint information, and any information that comes that is actually launched on Twitter. So you can see right here, and the Twitter community is big. So for Bored Ape Yacht Club, the Twitter account has almost they're about to hit million followers. So you can see right here. Similarly, if I open up the Twitter account for Larva Labs, which is CryptoPunks. Now, CryptoPunks is another very famous NFT collection, pixel art, and everything about this NFT collection is also launched through Twitter. All the information, all the giveaways are happened on Twitter and people follow these accounts. For example, I can also follow it. And you can see right here, we have more than 10K followers. If we go to the Twitter account of Doodles, then we have more than 300K followers, and this is their official Twitter account. And you can see right here, it has all the information about new launches, information about new giveaways, information about new creators, what's going to happen, collaborations, everything is launched on Twitter first and then on OpenSea or any other marketplace. So if you follow the Twitter account of an NFT collection, you can get all the information. So that is how we do promotion. This is an example for you so that you will know that how famous collections are doing and using Twitter. So that's what we also need to do. All you have to do is, of course, as a complete beginner, you will create a Twitter account. Once you have a Twitter account, then you will actually add information about your NFT collection in the description. You can add your website link, Discord link, and your OpenSea link in the description right here. After that, start tweeting about your product and also apply for verification. If your launch is actually good and if you have a website, then Twitter will verify your account for you and you will be able to get a professional verified Twitter account for your NFT collection. After that, you can tweet about new launches. If you want to do any giveaway, you can do that on Twitter. Similarly, if you are doing any collaboration, you can simply announce it on Twitter. If you have any new creators, you can do that on Twitter. If you have a Discord community, you can add links to your Twitter and you can also tag different fans and followers to keep it active, and you will be able to build a very strong community for your NFT collection that you're launching or you have already launched. So I showed you all of the famous collections. Now, if I go to explore and search for NFTs, then I will be able to show you that there are a lot of different artists. Every artist has its own NFT profile and they have their account here. So you can see it's not just famous ones, but all of the NFT collections when they're launched, you can see the information is given on Twitter. For example, this NFT collection, I have never heard about it, but I can see the art here on Twitter, and you can see they actually got 3,000 retweets. Similarly, if I scroll down, this is a cool NFT art and they got 5,000 retweets again, and you can see they have a lot of comments and likes. Now, people who did not check their NFT on OpenSea, they're actually checking it out Twitter. This is actually a giveaway happening, and I can actually win this NFT for free using Twitter. So that's what you need to do as well. You need to just go to tweet option here and you will upload your NFT art, like art design, and then you can add information about it. You can also create a poll if you like. You can also add a video. Make sure that you have an interesting Twitter account to engage your followers. And after that, you will be able to promote your NFT collection just like that. You can announce your new collections again, and you can also go ahead and give away free NFTs on Twitter. You can also make your followers follow you on OpenSea or follow you on Discord by adding that, what we do is we say that if you want to win this, you will have to follow these 20 followers, and then you will have to follow us on Twitter and something like that. Similarly, you can see this is a pretty cool NFT art, and I can go ahead and win an NFT art like this for free if I just follow their NFT friends and others. So this is how we simply, promote NFT. This is like a complete package for you guys to show you how you do it. Now, doing it is actually really easy. You create a Twitter account, you will go to tweet and tweet about it. Make sure to check how people are doing that on Twitter, how these famous collections are doing. So now if I go to my profile on OpenSea, then I will be able to show you how to connect Twitter to your OpenSea account here. So I'm just going to log in with my MetaMask. So this is one of my collection on OpenSea. So you can see we can directly share our NFT collection on Twitter. So you just click on share on Twitter and it would allow you to do so. Similarly, when we create an NFT on OpenSea, such as this one, now I can go to this share option and it will allow me to share on Twitter, or I can also go ahead and embed a link directly to my NFT. We can also join the OpenSea community on Twitter to keep updated, and we will be able to get a lot more information. So you can just simply click on share and share your NFTs on Twitter. This way people will be able to know about your NFT collection that you have created, and then they will be able to check it out. They will be driven to your NFT collection on OpenSea. Once they like the art, they will buy it, and you will be able to sell more NFTs using Twitter very easily. And the best thing is that Twitter is completely free. There is no investment there. You will just have to create an account for free and then verify it. You will be able to sell your NFT art using Twitter for free. You will be able to do free promotion, do giveaways, and launch your NFT collection and make it very successful. So yeah, guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to promote NFT art on Twitter. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.